Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video to do one English speaking practice. Basically, not today I'm going to speaking. I'm going to do one listening practice. So I've already uploaded a video which is past 10 to 12 days back. So this one and let's see what are the things which I can actually learn from this video and just trying to basically grasp the things such as seeing the confidence level which is lacking. So in upcoming days I'm going to improve that. So let's jump into this video. Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a basically public or park or a garden. Basically this is what I'm going to describe in this video, and this is my way of doing the English practice in my free time, basically because I just want to give some sort of time to my goals which I want to achieve in upcoming days. So for that I just don't want to regret it. I'm just preparing for it to basically achieve that, and so that's why I do upload videos every day of English language, whether I'm speaking hesitated, or I'm struggling, or basically stucking while speaking. So this is a part of journey. We need to leave it, and we need to understand then there's criticism. After that, we can able to basically get to the level where I we can like show people that you have bugged, and then after you get the result. So I'm going to basically start with the cue card which I've chosen for speaking in this video. So I was basically visited in my life basically a lot of parks and gardens as well, and along with that there is one garden which I really want to talk in this video, which is a very big park in my city, and its name is like basically is situated by one of the army person who got basically uh, who got injured in basically in the war, and that is for the his basically memories. His the park basically got inaugurated in basically 2000, and there is a lot of, you can say, activity, physical activities, exercises. Lot of people's doing in the morning and in the evening as well. There are a lot of components such as like walking, cycles, or they are pulling instrument as well, where you can basically do some sort of exercises. And a lot of time there are people also going to run, and there are a lot of people who are like preparing for army as well, because there's a lot of you can say area of like for 400 meter. If you are run basically one round of that is calculated as a 400 meter. So there are a lot of people running like 4 to 5 round of this, and they basically try to complete it within a 5 minute or less than 5 minutes. That is how they are basically going to achieve, because there is certain rule like you need to complete your 1600 meter of running by under 5 to 6 minutes. So that is how a lot of people are doing these activities in the park, and that is very famous. Because beside from there is one park as well where like females or like aunties basically visited there. That is very good thinking of lot of people. So that is how you can segregate both gender in a different park. So that's why there is a lot of unique thing. You can say there is a lot of, you can say, services you can. So in this video I feel like I didn't know about much about the park, and just using basic things. Yeah, it happens many times, and there are some certain things which is related to vocabularies, construction of sentences. So these are all the minor mistakes which makes me like a beginner who is like speaking as a beginner. So yeah, these all things we need to improve just understanding that it is a mistake. So that is how we improve, right? So in upcoming days I'm going to improve, I am going to focus on that particular area. And along with that, basically I just want to basically prepare more about on the cue card, because I feel like there is much uh, work, there is lot of works need to be done if I'm speaking. And so yeah, on this video, that is it. I hope you find it helpful. Bye bye, have a good day.